It's your girl Shanique coming at you with another video. But these times are rough. Corona got us stuck inside looking extra rough. Okay. Woo! My eyebrows are basically growing down to my eyelid. Okay. And yeah, this just isn't cute. So, boom! We gonna try this flawless brow kit. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so the tools you'll be needing is, of course, our flawless kit, an eyebrow razor, and an eyebrow brush to comb, your eyebrows before you get started. Lay them out. All right, now you guys are just gonna watch me do my thing. Okay, so I'm just brushing the girls up, getting them in place. All right, let's get started. Oh, slide up. Oh my God. I'm really nervous, okay? All right. Okay guys, so here I'm just going underneath the eyebrow, getting all those tough little hairs out. My eyebrows are thick. Again, like I said, it's a little harder. And, I just kept going in, like, take your time, because honestly, you just want to be precise and cute. All right, guys, so, I was in shock. Like, what? Look at that arch. Go ahead. It was like furry arch. Furry? Furry arch. Yes, yes. Smooth her out, honey. Smooth her out. And snap. Okay, guys, so now I want to show you how I go over the top of my eyebrow. For more definition, just have to go over the top part. At the top, it's just us. Whoop, whoop. No DJ Khaled. Who remembers that? Yes. Okay, honey. Turn that head. Oop, oop. Flip that head. I'll hurry up, y'all. Don't worry. To the left. We're on the left eyebrow now, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, but basically we're doing the same concept over and under and over. I swear this eyebrow is like the uglier eyebrow. You know how you always have one pretty eyebrow? Like my left is Mrs. Ugly. But it's okay. It's okay. Okay guys, so I'm done with the tool. Now I'm going to try to shape them up with the eyebrow razor. Fingers crossed. Oh, Lord. The finale. Guys, so this is the final look. I'm really feeling my eyebrows. I recommend this tool wholeheartedly. This was really great. For someone that needed a lot, this definitely held it down, honestly. But thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, tell a friend, okay? Until next time.